Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of UnNoobing, where I unbox a product and explain to you in detail this type of product so that you will stop being a noob. I have a guest today and my goal is to unnoob her. And she is really a noob and she's my girlfriend, Celeste. Hello.
Hello.
My guest also have a guest, Kiko-chan. Hello Kiko. Not in the mood for talking today. Alright, so tell us, what are we going to buy today?
We are going to buy a portable aircon.
Portable aircon. Why do we need a portable aircon? We have normal cooling units. Like, why do we need portable ones?
Because I have 3 rooms but only 2 aircons, and if I want another aircon in this room, we need to remove the current aircon, install a new one, which is going to cost a lot. So nah.
How much will it cost roughly?
I think at least 3k and above.
3k and above. Okay, a portable aircon probably won't cost 3k, so let's try to save that bit of money. Do you have any particular product in mind that you want to buy already?
No, but I know what I want. I want it to cool the room.
Okay, what's your budget?
Less than 500 and cannot make too much noise.
Okay, so we have 3 criteria today. Able to cool the room, not more than 500, not too noisy. Okay, because you're a noob, I don't blame you. I'll find the product right now and buy it, and when it comes, we'll open it up and see what it is. See you when the product comes.
Bye!
Kiko, say bye. The product is here just after 2 days. Let's unbox this and review our product. Alright, we're finally done unboxing the portable aircon. This is the Midea MPPF-12CRN1 portable aircon. Let's just call this the Midea 12K portable aircon. Let's look at what's inside the box. Firstly, of course, we have this beast over here. One good thing I've noticed is that it has roller wheels. This is going to make things easier. Next up, we have this panel, the hose, and all these circular rings. All these are to attach this hose to the window and to ensure that no cold air will leak out of the room. And this foam over here is also to prevent cold air from leaking out of the room. Next up, we have the remote control. Comes with a pair of batteries, the remote control stand, a transparent tube. I believe this is to remove water from the portable aircon. Next, we have the warranty certificate and the remote control illustration. Last but not least, we have the owner's manual and installation manual. This is everything that comes in the box. Next, we'll try to install this thing. Apologies, my camera ran out of battery before filming the last part. All that was left to do is to insert the hose into this thing and into the panel at the window. I've also removed the blue tapes that are securing the aircon. Now I'll turn this thing on. Wow! Alright, once again, what we have here is the Midea 12K portable aircon. This is bought at Shopee for $349.55 after a 5% shop discount and a $20 cashback by Shopee. So this definitely fits Celeste's budget. When purchasing a portable aircon, there are 3 key factors to look out for. Number 1. Room size. The size of the room will determine the BTU, or the British thermal unit, that your portable aircon will need. There are many recommendations on how much BTU you will need. For example, this room size is about 160 square feet. Some sources will say that you need 6,000 BTU, some sources will say that you need 9,000 BTU. My personal recommendation is that get as high as a BTU that can fit your budget. It is very normal for a portable aircon to not feel any coldness when you are not directly in front of it. This unit here, as the name suggests, has 12K BTU. Other than BTU, you also need to determine if there's enough space to put this unit near the window. It is best to let the exhaust pipe blow right outside your room because the exhaust pipe is blowing out hot air. Number 2. Electricity consumption. Electrical products usually work this way. If the initial cost of the product is low, then the electricity cost will be high. If the initial product cost is high, then the electricity cost will be low. So if you're gonna on the portable aircon every day, then probably get one with a high initial cost. Number 3. Noise. It is normal for portable aircon to make loud noises because it is very small but it's doing a lot of work. So if your room is small and the portable aircon is making too much noise, it's gonna be very annoying. Whether or not this is too noisy, I'll let Celeste decide. And it's now to bring her back into the scene. Welcome back, Celeste and Kiko. Hello.
Hello.
Alright, tell us, are you satisfied with the product?
Oh yeah, as you can tell from my outfit, it's not something that I usually wear at home. I always wear what?
T-shirt and shorts.
So this proves a lot.
Yes, alright, we had 3 criteria. Number 1 is budget, which we hit. Number 2 is cool the room. Definitely we did. Number 3, noise. Is it too noisy? You haven't tell us. Stop kissing, tell us.
The noise is not as much as I expected and it's very acceptable. In a weird way, I would say it's a comforting noise because when you're off it, then you'll be like, oh shit, it's so silent.
Okay, so somehow I think the noise is there, but it's not too overpowering. I would call this a successful purchase. For only about $350, we get more than what we pay for. Do let us know in the comments if you have any questions, and also please let us know what to unbox and explain next so that you will stop being a noob. Bye bye.
Bye bye.